Welcome guys to my new video. In this video I will talk about the strings in the C programming language. So first of all, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let's start our lecture. What is a strings? A strings in the C programming language is a sequence of characters terminated with the null character. Null character is the /0. The C strings is stored as an array of characters. A string is an ordered sequence of characters enclosed in the double quotation, like here, double quotation marks, and it is a part of the standard library. Here we have an example about the C strings. The strings, like the array, have the index and a name of the strings and the element. Here the strings start with data type. Here it's a character, the string name, str, and the element geeks is between the double quotation marks. Now, what is the difference between a character array and a C strings? The difference is that the strings in C terminated with a unique character /0. Now, how to declare a C strings? Declaring a string in C language is as simple as declaring a one-dimension array. Below is the basic syntax of declaring a string. First, it starts with character, data type is a character. We put the string name and the size of the strings. Like for example, character str and the size is 10. Like here, character str name of the string and the element of the strings. Here I don't put the size of the strings. In the above syntax, string name is any name given to the string variable, and size is used to define the length of the strings. It means the number of characters that will store. There is an extra termination character in the null character /0 used to indicate the termination of a string that different strings form normal character array. Look, for example, of this example. We have character str and the size is 10. And I need to put, for example, to print hello /0. /0 is the unique character. It means the string is terminated here. This is the importance of the null character /0. It indicates that the string is terminated here. Now the strings initialization. A string in C can be initialized in a different ways. Like here we have 4 ways to initialize a strings in C programming language. First, we can assign a string without the size. Like here, I don't put the size. Here, the name of the string str acts as a pointer because it is an array. Second way is assign a string with a predefined size. For example, I can put the size here, like here, 15 and more. I can put it also 16. But the element of this strings is not equal to the size. Here we should always account for one extra space which will be assigned to the null character. If we want to store a string of size n, then we should always declare a string with a size equal to greater than n plus 1. Third way is assign character by character with the size. Like here, I don't put all the word, like here code clean, I put character by character and it ends with the null character. We should remember to set the end characters as the null character, which is like this example here. We have the data type, string name, the size, and I put the element character by character. And last way to define or to initialize a string in the C programming language is character by character without the size. Like here, like this example. And it's very important to put the null character in the end of the strings. This is the 4 ways to initialize a string in the C programming language. We need to use this in the example in the next video. Here I have a small note. When a sequence of characters enclosed in the double quotation marks is encountered by the compiler, a null character is appeared at the end of the string by default. Now let's make a small example about the strings in the C programming language. In this example, I need to declare, initialize strings, and I need to print the strings on the screen. First of all, like all the C program, I need to put include studio.h. Here, I need to work with a string. I need to put also include string.h. When I need to work with a string, I need to put this line in hashtag include string.h. And the integer main. And now let's start our example. First of all, I need to declare and initialize string. First of all, I need to put the data type. It's a character. When I need to work with a string, I need the data type is character. The string name is str. I don't need to put the size, equal to hello. Here I declared and I initialize the string. Now let's print the string. Print the string. And I need to use the printf function. Printf percentage s, because here it's a string, percentage s, and str, the name of the string. Now I need to declare the length of the string. Integer length is equal to 0. Here I declare the length. The length is equal to strlen str. Now let's display the length of the string and printf length of the string. Str is percentage d length. And finally return 0. This is a C strings example to declare and initialize the string and print the string on the screen. We can see in this example that the strings can be printed using a normal printf statements, just like we print any other variable. Unlike the arrays, we do not need to print a string character by character. The C language does not provide an inbuilt data type, for the strings, but it has an access specifier %s, like here in the printf function, which can be used to print and read strings directly. Now let's see how to read strings input from the user. First of all, I need to put hashtag include studio, hashtag include string, and integer main. Now in first step, let's declare a string. Like the array and the other lecture, we start with the data type. Here it's a character because I work with a string. str. Here I need to put a size, for example 14. For example, str, I need to put a size 20, for example, or 14. Now, next step, I need to read string. To read the string, I need to use the scanf function. Scanf %s, because here I need to read the string, and str, the name of the string. Last step, I need to print the string. To print the string, I need to use the printf function. Printf also %s str, and finally return 0. This is how to read the string input from the user. Also, we need to see this in the example and exercise in the next videos. So first of all, I need to declare a string like this syntax: data type, name of the string, and the size. I need to read the string using the scanf function and print it using the printf function.